And now talking about the last couple problems, we have ammonium chloride combining with barium hydroxide. So this is a limiting reactant problem. So you're going to find which ones, write your equation, of course, NH4Cl, you have two of those, plus a barium hydroxide, BaOH, parentheses twice, and go ahead and finish that equation, balance it. Notice it says ignoring water vapor, so that makes it easier. So you're just going to find the limiting reactant, find out how many moles of gas would be produced. Remember, this is going to be ammonium hydroxide. What did I tell you earlier about ammonium hydroxide? It always turns into NH3 and H2O. So in this case, when you balance the equation, you will have two NH4OHs. So you'll have two NH3s and two H2Os. Okay, then so you've got the moles of ammonia, and then just use PV equals nRT to solve for volume. Okay, this is a little weird one because the equation on this is hydrogen peroxide. It decomposes into water and oxygen. So you're going to have H2O2 yields H2O plus O2. You have 20 milliliters of oxygen, so you need to change that to moles. And use PV equals nRT to do that. It's collected over water, so you're going to have to take the 95 kilopascals and subtract out the water vapor pressure. Remember that the water vapor pressure is in millimeters of mercury, so you'll have to change that to kilopascals. And then subtract. And then find the mass of hydrogen peroxide. And once you have the mass of hydrogen peroxide, after you find moles of oxygen, do the mole ratio, change to grams of hydrogen peroxide. That answer will be 3% of your number, because your hydrogen peroxide that you have in your medicine cabinet at home is only 3% hydrogen peroxide, is 97% water. So the answer you get will be 3% of the final answer. So whatever you get is going to equal 0.03x, where x is the mass of the hydrogen peroxide solution that's in the brown bottle in your medicine cabinet. So whatever you get is 0.03 of x. So 0.03x equals this answer. So you're going to really divide this answer by 0.03 and you'll get this answer. So try it. You have to write this stuff all down. And you can use Remind if you have questions or get swamped, and I'll try and help you. Thanks.